Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I got myself some friend mail, went to the P.O. box today, found a surprise package in there, something I wasn't expecting, and it's from Losing Louie, who I hope you guys follow on YouTube. He's got a great channel, plays himself some guitar, pretty cool, listening to it in the background while he's talking about his silver bullion and other great things that he does. So I would encourage you, if you're not subscribed to him, to get on over there and take a look, because I think you'll enjoy his channel. So let's see what he sent me. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut this thing open. It does have some perforation lines there, but there's tape covering it, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut along the package here. See what we have. I don't know what's inside, so I want to be careful. Maybe I can get on those. There we go. Alright, let me get my knife out of the way so nobody gets hurt. Alright, so let's see what's in here. Oh, good heavens, it's time to give you something for Christmas. And I'm not even gift wrapped, but Merry Christmas anyway. Cute card. And what do we have here? Rock Your Stack Silver, Losing Louie, 0.73 troy ounces, 999 fine silver, Colt. Cool. Talking Bullion. Thank you for purchasing my handcrafted silver. It was my pleasure to make it for you. Louie. And let's see what he's got here. Losing Louie. Hi, Talking Bullion. Thank you for the beautiful Christmas card in silver. I've enclosed a small token of my appreciation that I made. Best wishes, Louie. Wow, Louie, you didn't have to do that. That's really awesome. I'm anxious to see what you sent me. Cool card. Nice handwritten card. Little C of A type thing from him. So let's get on in here and see what I have. Well, this is exciting to receive stuff like this in the mail. Thank you, Louie. Got it wrapped up nice and good in here. Oh, look at that. Got it in a nice little pouch. Wow, nice heavy duty canvas pouch. Wow, that's very nice. That pouch alone is a very nice gift. Look at that. A Colt handgun. Wow. I'm going to have to put this under the gun cam. Let's take a quick look at it here. Wow, Louie, you poured that? That's really cool. Let's take a look over here. Let me see if I can focus it a little bit better. Look at that. Wow. That thing is really cool. Let's flip it over. There's some writing on the back. 999 fine silver. And it looks like, I believe that's a guitar stamp right there. Yep, that's really cool. Wow, Louie, you didn't have to send me this. This is really nice. 999 fine silver. Wow. Thank you, Louie. That's very, very thoughtful of you. I really appreciate it. And look at how cool that is. My camera should focus in all right on here. Yeah, look at that. Wow. And boy, the weight. He says it's basically 3/4 of an ounce. 0.73, but I have to tell you, in your hand, it feels much heavier than that. That is a nice piece of silver. All right, Louie, I don't know what else to say, but thank you. You really surprised me, and I really appreciate that. You really outdid yourself. Did not expect to receive something like that in the mail, and I really appreciate you taking the time to send it to me. Well, that's it for now, folks. Again, please visit Losing Louie in his channel. I'll have it in my description, and check him out. He's got some really good stuff. He orders some pretty cool stuff, and he makes some pretty cool stuff, so check him out. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why don't you go ahead and do that now. Just go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And also, check out these video recommendations that I popped up for you. Got some great content in there. Go ahead and click on them and check them out. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.